Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. And welcome to rasoielizaskitchen. So friends, I am here with another exciting recipe, an Indo-Chinese recipe, and that is none other than drums of heaven, or you can say chicken lollipop restaurant style. So friends, I'm going to show you an easier way how you can cook in your own kitchen. So do try this and give your feedback. And before starting the recipe, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share with your friends and family. So let's start with a yummy, tasty drums of heaven. So friends, for chicken lollipop, I have used 1 kg of chicken lollipops. These lollipops are made of chicken wings. Now it's available in market very easily. And this is fresh chicken lollipops, cleaned, washed. Okay, now to this I will be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. So I've taken half a teaspoon black pepper powder, chili powder, 1 teaspoon I'm adding red chili powder. If you don't have chili powder, if you have red chili paste, that will also work very good with this. So 1 teaspoon of chili powder I have added. Now I have to add salt according to taste. So here I am adding salt. Okay, then you need to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. So this is 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Then you need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So you need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And now 1 teaspoon of oil I will add to this. So I've added the oil, and now I'll mix it nicely. This is a chicken marination. Everything should be coated nicely. And now I'll cover and then I'll keep it aside at least for 2 hours, or you can keep in refrigerator for 2 hours or whole night if you are planning to make next day, because the more it is marinated, the better it will taste. Friends, this is our marinated chicken lollipop. To this now we have to add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or refined flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, now to this I will be adding 1 whole egg, and now we will mix it nicely. Now we need to deep fry this. Here we have kept oil to heat because we are now going to deep fry chicken lollipops. If you need to make lollipop crispier, then I'll tell you a trick. This is all-purpose flour. These are marinated chicken lollipop. Just cover it like this. Just coat like this. And deep fry. One more I will show you similar way. Just dust the excess, and you have to cook all this chicken lollipop on medium flame, not on high. Let it cook. After 3 to 4 minutes, you will just turn it. For the sauce, I have added oil to pan. Now to this, I will be adding some Kashmiri red chilies. I have taken 2 Kashmiri red chilies cut in small pieces that I will add first. Then I will add garlic. We will saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Garlic I have taken 1 tablespoon. Now to this I will be adding some finely chopped onion, medium size onion. Let it cook. The onion should be soft. Now to this I will be adding some green onions, spring onions. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will be adding 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or red chili paste, whatever is there with you, you have to add that. Salt according to taste. Little bit of black pepper. So I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'll mix it once. Now to this I will be adding corn flour and water slurry. At this moment you can taste for salt and sugar. Yeah, it's perfect. Now to this sauce we will be adding our fried chicken lollipop and we will toss it. Now we will mix this nicely so that all the chicken should coat with this sauce. Can you see? All the chicken pieces are coated nicely. All the chicken drums sticks are coated very nicely with this sauce. And now on the top I will garnish with some more spring onions. Chicken lollipop, drums of heaven, is ready. Do try this recipe. Comment, share with your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And friends, please do share my channel as much as you can. So I will be meeting you with another exciting recipe. Till then, bye. Love you all and be safe and be at home.